For buying a domain, you can just click on the link which is in a description, which is a Hostinger link, which is my affiliate link. Okay, you will get a additional 2000 off, 2000 rupees off. So when you actually click on that, okay, you will head over to this page. Okay, the page will be visible like this from Hostinger. Like Hostinger is basically, it offers hosting and website builder, everything. Okay, everything at one place, domain and hosting, which is a very great platform, and I'm using this from 2 years, guys. Okay, so when you buy hosting, you're gonna get free domain 1 year. Okay, so which is why for the first year you just have to only pay 2000 rupees. That's a 1 year. Okay, they even have who gonna give support live. Now if I simply click on start, you can go here and choose this plan. Okay, premium, this plan, you'll get additional free 3 months free. Okay, choose a plan. I'm gonna click on choose a plan. Do not go for single or business, choose premium one, and it's gonna ask you for how many months. Okay, so let me just, it's loading. So you make sure you can select up to 3 months. Okay, there's a 2 months, 3 months. The more months you select, the more discount you get. But anyway, we're gonna go with 12 months, and it's gonna show you 3000, okay, 4000. But if you use my link, it's gonna end up somewhere around 2000. Okay, now you can make the UPI and PayPal and everything. Okay, Paytm and everything. Submit. So after successfully purchasing Hostinger, it's gonna ask you to enter a domain name. Okay, you can go ahead and choose that. I already bought. Okay, I'm already using the domain, which it's gonna expire in 5 days. For the website creation, for the tutorial purpose, I'm using that, which is a hireme123.com. And after choosing your domain, make sure you go with a .com or .org or .in. Okay, so after creating that, you will, it will prompt you. After choosing a domain, it will prompt you, do you want to create or migrate a website?